In this meditation, you will open up your heart chakra to manifest your soulmate into your life instantly. My name is Janell, and I help thousands of my clients manifest all the love that they hope for and desire, whether that be from a specific person or new love. Now let's begin. Close your eyes, relax, and surrender to this meditation. Take a couple of deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Now place both hands on your heart and visualize a luminous green light streaming from your heart. Your heart is beginning to warm with this feeling of love. Your heart is glowing a bright emerald green as it radiates with this love. You are now activating your manifesting power. Now repeat after me. I allow myself to release blocks from my heart. I am open for a fresh new beginning. I am allowing the energy of sacred union to be in my body. I love myself unconditionally. I am in a perfect relationship. I am beautiful inside and out. I am incredibly lovable. Everyone sees how desirable I am. I am magnetic without even trying. Everyone and everything I desire desires me more. I deserve to be treated with love and respect. I deserve love simply by being my authentic self. I am aligned with the frequency of love all the time. I am always loved and supported. My heart leads me to where I need to be. I am in my dream relationship with the person I love the most. I am worthy of true love. I am enough. It is done. You are now connecting energetically with your divine counterpart. Now ask for their higher self's permission to receive this energy. Visualize them in a bright spirit of green light as their body holds this energy. They are releasing all their blockages, obstacles, and fears related to divine romantic connection. Their heart chakra is getting cleansed and aligned. This energy allows them to get into the same state of being that you are in right now. Now ask the universe to please help you to ground this union or reunion. Expand your light and allow yourself to be the center of attraction for your soulmate. Now start to breathe into all parts of your body. And imagine rich, dark soil under your feet. And feel your feet sink deep into the soil, infusing your entire body with grounding energy from Mother Earth. Now give thanks, because it is already done. Type "My soulmate loves me unconditionally" to affirm this meditation. And if you would like my help manifesting your true love, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and I can help you manifest the love that you have always desired. If you want more videos like this one, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next meditation.